Hello friend, this is from Carvel Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is the new finished 150 liters model needle mixer for Bulgaria client. For this mixer, it is used to mix the material natural cellulose suspension, and it is some kind of explosive. So we make the whole mixer explosion proof type. Let's take around to see it. And the left part is explosion proof type electricity cabinet. For the main components we use Schneider brand, and the right part is a mixer. Let's take around to see it. This part is a mixing chamber. For the material contact part we use stainless steel, and mirror polish for the contact part, material contact part. And the back side is hydraulic system with hydraulic station. Also the motor equipped explosion proof type, and the hydraulic system can drive the top lid open close and the cylinder tilting and back for the material discharging. And this is the main motor and hard to speed reducer. Also for the main motor we use explosion proof type. Okay. This is the top view. Now the mixer has been connected with the electricity power, and I would like to make a simple test for the basic function of this mixer. Let's focus on the panel. This is a voltage meter, ammeter, and this is a temperature sensor can be displayed on the panel for the material temperature. Inverter panel. For the buttons part, this is emergency stop button. And for the motor drive, motor forward, reverse, and stop, this is speed control. And after I adjust the button, and the shaft speed will be displayed on this inverter panel. This is for the light on the top lid, and the top lid open, close, cylinder tilting, and back. Okay. First, I would like to open the light and test the mixing function. Mixing forward. Speed can be controlled right here. We can check the shaft speed on the inverter panel here. Little more speed, nearly 25. Okay. Let's check the inside situation. Two windows, one with light. To see it clearly, we can check wire the material feeding port. Now we can see sigma blades rotating in the forward direction. Working stable, and then I would like to test the max speed. It is designed 37. Okay, no problem. Stop. And then I would like to test the reverse direction. Also, I keep the max speed not changed. Okay, reverse direction. Now we can see the speed increasing and voice of the motor. Let's check. Now double sigma blades are rotating in the reverse direction. Okay, no problem. And then I would like to introduce our safety protection system. It is regarding the sensors on the backside. This position, 2 sensors. You can see that once the top lid opened, mixer will stop. Let's test it. Lid open. Although I didn't close the mixer, however it stopped because this is a safety protection system. Now we can see it clearly. Mixer stopped. No problem. And then I would like to display the material discharging, cylinder tilting. In this way, material will be discharged out of the mixer. Let's check again. However, even in this situation, with the top lid opened, mixer tilting, and we can also drive the double sigma blades because this is another function we call it inching switch function. I would like to display it, and please notice that I must keep my finger on the forward or reverse direction continuously. Keep my finger on the button. Please rotate it in the forward direction. I must keep my finger on it. Remove, not work, it stopped. You can see it stopped. It is the same principle for the reverse direction. For example, keep my finger on the button, reverse. Sigma blades, now rotating in the reverse direction. It's no problem. Remove my finger, it stopped. Now I would like to make the cylinder back. And close the top lid. So this is a simple test for the basic function of this new finished 150 liters model needle mixer for Bulgaria client. For the material of natural cellulose suspension, explosion-proof type for the whole mixer. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, please don't hesitate to contact for more information. This is from Cavell Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.